In this example, we're going to look at some percentages. We have 3 employee groups: accountants, mathematicians, and economists, and some student counts for those departments. So 500 accounting students, 1,000 mathematics students, and 350 economics students. The question is, which department is generating the most student revenue compared to their size? Okay. So the easiest way to do this is in terms of percentages. So if we add up the accountants, the mathematicians, and the economists, there are 32 total employees. And if we add up our students, we have 500 plus 1,000, that's 1,500, plus another 350, that's 1,850. 1,850 total students. Okay. In terms of accounting, we have 10 over 32 accountants. 10 over 32 is 31.25%. In terms of students, they have 500 over 1,850 students. And so that's 27.03%. Okay, so the accountants produce a smaller percentage of students relative to the number of employees they have. How about the mathematicians? They have 14 of the 32 employees. That gives us 43.75%. And they have, so this is mathematics. They have 1,000 of the 1,850 students. And that's 54.05%. So there are 43.75% of the employees, or in this case, that's likely an indication of the expenditure, but they produce 54.05% of the students, which is a likely indicator of the revenue they generate. In terms of the economists, they have 8 out of 32 employees. That's 25%. And they produce 350 of the 1,850 students. And so that's 18.92%. So we see here that relative to their size, the mathematicians are overproducing their students. They have 43% of the cost and 54% of the revenue. The accountants are pretty close. They have 31% of the revenue and 27% of the cost. So they're nearly, those are nearly the same number. The economists, on the other hand, generate 25% of the cost, but only bring in 19% of the revenue. So here, percentages are really a fair way to look at how these departments are generating students, but relative to having a different number of employees each.